last year I DM'd 100 Jamaican YouTubers, and that was honestly a pretty eye-opening experience as to how much social clout I have, which was 0. I still got a couple responses though. But today I'm going to test how much social clout I have now by DMing 100 Jamaican artists. And this time, the twist is that we're gonna be doing Finish the Lyric with their own songs, of course. I DM'd literally everybody on this list right here. Today in total it's like 80 plus people, so quite close to 100. But let's just start off with some of the highlights for when I just started. Alright guys, so we're on Instagram and I have the list pulled up right here to the side on the computer so that I can like keep up with it. Let's get into the first person, who is Popcaan. I already have some of the lyrics I've written down so I can flow a little quicker. Family, and we say family. Yeah. Brain killer. Wait. Oh, Popcaan can't receive a message. I don't allow new message requests from everyone. My goodness. Next up is Shenseea. Oh shoot, I forgot. Back to the Shen Yang video that I did. Shared in my DM. First thing in the morning, when I wake up, thank God for life. Let's see if she respond. Next person, Killibeng. Wait, does Killibeng have an Instagram? Killibeng don't have an Instagram, my gosh. Right as me and try to film the video, the man like him deactivate him Instagram. Okay, now so let's kill it. Kitana. Some of them see me as a big pushover. I say girl, left me fit dead. Them think oh my god guys, I'm so terrible. Guys, I'm gonna start adding like a mic emoji at the end to let them know that hey, it's your turn to add to it. Alright, next person now is gonna be Biker. Or Baker. I don't know if I go like use the wrong lyrics right so. Let's see if you respond. Next person, Savannah. Me love you like mango. Thank goodness I know all of them is like Popcaan. Me love you like mango. I better you give me some loving. Guys, I can't sing. Next person up is Chris Martin. This has nothing to do with money or fame or vanity. This one is all about self-worth. Of course, I can't forget the legend Bob Marley. Well, he has an active Instagram page. 2,900 posts. My goodness. Rise up this morning. Smile at the rising sun. And hopefully him finish it. I mean, if Bob Marley was to message me, Bob Marley himself. Because obviously this is Bob Marley himself, right? Next person, Alkaline. You know, sister, we create waves like the ocean. I'm at Kevin Downswell next. That's right, guys. All genres of Jamaican artists. You're my creator, my seasons of trial. I send out about how much? 1, 2, 3. I'm saying about 9. Instagram soon tell me some need to take a break. Don't get me wrong, I didn't DM everybody straight all at once because I didn't want Instagram to permanently ban me. Well, then probably would have just like temporarily ban me, but whatever. So I just DM them in segments, you know, with like a 5 to 10 minute break in between. Alright, so sometimes it was more than just 10 minutes. I continued to DM some more artists and honestly I was feeling pretty good enough. I mean, I haven't gotten any responses yet, but that's just because they were intimidated by my outwardness and apparent social confidence to even message them with their own lyrics that them just couldn't respond. Yeah. Yeah man, yeah, that's definitely what happened. By the way guys, I had the aim to DM every single last person on this list today, and that's exactly what I didn't do. Exactly what I didn't do. It's morning now. It's the next day and I didn't finish sending out the DMs, but guess what guys? We got a message from one person so far. And I sent it about 30 yesterday. I'm gonna continue today though because you know I kinda get overwhelmed with having to look up the lyrics because I know everybody's song me know. But first let me show you guys who responded. We are back on the Android phone by the way. But look at this guys. Look at this. You see that? Who's that guys? Who's that? That's I-Octane. He said fire emoji. He didn't even finish the I put on a skater right here, but he didn't even finish the lyric. He just like literally sent fire emojis and then sent the video link to his song. That's good promo, but big up yourself. So I-Octane is the first person to respond. That's great. We're gonna continue today though. Let's go. I have to admit, guys, I haven't been DMing these artists consistently at all. Between me being busy and me just being lazy and having to look up the lyrics for 95% of the messages that I sent out, cause I don't know all of their songs, I just couldn't bother. My social clout level increased though since receiving that response from I-Octane, but only by about 3%. Was this video actually gonna get done? At this point I was actually unsure, but as the days progressed, I realized something very vital. Messaging people ain't that hard. Like, it's honestly isn't that hard. So it's currently Saturday. Almost 2 weeks later Saturday. It's been so hectic, but we're gonna continue this video. This video is gonna get done. I'm gonna continue DMing some people tonight. Probably still not gonna finish the list. It's a lot. It takes a lot to DM these people. But let's continue. Guys, it's been 4 weeks. 4 weeks. It's been 4 weeks since I started this. Nothing serious. I haven't gotten any additional responses. I basically just finished. Yes, I've also been procrastinating DMing them, but I just finished DMing the last set. I'm gonna DM one last Jamaican artist, and that's my very own brother. Yeah, Very and the best. Very and the best. Him on Instagram. He's on YouTube. I'ma use his song Pepper Pot, the lyrics to that song. Guys, make sure that you check him out on YouTube, on Instagram. Him have some fire music. Let me just send off the last DM to him right now. There's a specific part of the song that I want to catch, the chorus. Hot like a pepper pot. The G them head hot like a pepper pot. And then he's gonna finish this. Let me just message him. At this rate, guys, at this point, even if my own brother don't respond to me, I'm not even gonna be surprised. I'm gonna be like, yup, this is just what happens when I do this type of video. Okay, so I just sent off the DM. Oh boy, boy, I hope. You know what, I'm going to bed. I moved on to the final set of artists to message, and just as throughout the course of this video my hair has grown out, so has my patience. If over the next 3 days I don't get at least one more response, then it's confirmed that my social clout level is... Okay, so it's the next morning. Throughout the night I did turn off my Instagram notifications because I didn't want to get anxiety or anything like that. So this is the first time I'm seeing the messages, but I did get 2 responses, and guess who? Guess from who? My brother. I got a response from him. He finished the lyric. Party hot like a pepper pot. The GM they are hot like a pepper pot. The girl them they are hot like a pepper pot. See, he finished the lyric. He finished the lyrics. I'm a drop like. And Sade Affleck, she also responded to me, guys. She is an up and coming artist. Oops. Sade did it because I am an African warrior. It runs in my veins. I am a lion. I will embrace my mane. Made from the fire and I'm made to sustain. Try to control me, but I can't be tamed. And she said it made her day, and she appreciates it. So guys, I don't know if you're keeping up, but that's 3 responses. 3 out of almost 90 odd people. I'll catch you guys back in 2 days, and then we're gonna see what happens. Okay guys, so it's the next day and I have an update for you guys. I got a message. Well, not really. Actually, somebody responded to the message by hearting it, and that person is Kemar Haikon. You know, the saucy boss. So look at that. He just liked the messages, but I think that counts. I think that counts as a response, quote unquote. So I'm gonna count it. That's 4 people, 4 artists, and I sent this from February 22nd, and it's currently March 19th. So close to a month ago. So I guess it was a good thing that I decided to wait. I know, but okay. Let's see. We might actually get more responses then. It's a possibility that I can get more responses. Let's see. I'm planning to end this tomorrow, so. Tomorrow, let's go to tomorrow. Well guys, it's confirmed. I technically got 4 responses out of like the nearly 90 people that me did message. Is that bad? I think it is. But if there's one thing that this social experiment has taught me, is that my social clout level is 0.